last people
here.
tried to get him, he ate all three of them.
Oh.
Yeah, sunk their boat.
Pwede pala dito. Kunin ko pala yung number ni ano. Wish it to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, wala pa din lighter.
Lighter. Saan yung light?
Oh, walang lighter. Alang, cute. Ah, ganito lang siya.
Shed lang, shed. It's a shed. Right? Para pag umulan, nandito kami, ano lang.
Pero dito na rin kayo talaga.
Wala, hindi. Doon may bahay kami.
Ah, parang ano nyo lang ito.
Nakatira dito. Ano lang namin yung...
Happy birthday! Again! Ay, nakita niyo ba yung ano, barko? Dito pala natadaanan pala yan, ano?
Araw-araw, halos araw-araw nagpapasbayan. Malalaking barko dito.
Ito may birthday.
Guy, palayasin mo.
Imagine look from there to there.
Oh, sabi ko Australia eh. Taga-Australia yan. Hindi naman plug nila, ginamit nila Australia at saka ano, US.
Siguro sa bago na bridge.
Ang birthday girl. Hi, birthday girls. Birthday girl also. Aray! Ang birthday girl.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Ay,
Lisod, oh.
ay siyempre naman.
Oh. Yan ang sekreto ng mga unayo ba? Shit.
Happy birthday!
Ano yan? Australia. Ano yan? Australia. Australia yan, Australia. Chorizo, Australia yan, no?
Ayan, we are here.
Iwan ko na kayo!
I just saw it. Who's right there?
Oh, look, what's going to happen now?
And this is what happened.
It's beautiful here. Look.
You wanna go up there? Yeah, take a look. You can see it.
Yeah, I might. Hexy, what's up, man? How'd you get up there?
Moshet, kaya?
Little ladder.
Oh, there's a ladder over here.
In this side, in this side.
Inside. I don't want to fall overboard. I don't know how to swim.
Oh, it's nice. Look.
Make it.
I see you on a boat once and she got hit in the head.
Moshet, oh. It's beautiful here.
All right, let's go get Jaws. He's going to be on my crew. You guys want to get